What if I told you a weapon cheaper than a used car is defeating on one side, the United States and Israel, with the most advanced weapons in the world. On the other side, a small drone called the shahed. This isn't a normal drone. It's a kamikaze drone, meaning it destroys itself with a target. But here's the twist. It doesn't attack immediately. It waits, watch. It costs only a few $1,000s. But to destroy it, you need missiles worth hundreds of thousands, even millions. And it gets worse. These drones don't come alone. They attack in swarms, dozens, even hundreds at once, flying low, avoiding radar, hitting multiple. This is not about power anymore. This is about strategy. A war where you win.
Experts now believe this is the future of warfare. Not the strongest, but the smartest will win.